The 2023 Crown has 3 trims. The XLE and Limited are powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and 3 electric motors. This is Toyota's hybrid setup, with 2 motors and the internal combustion engine linked by a planetary gearset that sends power to the front wheels. The third electric motor drives rear wheels, giving Crown all-wheel drive. Toyota says this setup produces 236 horsepower and 38 mpg. This hybrid system has an EV mode for short distance. Low-speed electric driving. Toyota's Platinum trim adds Hybrid Max, a new hybrid system with a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-four hybrid powertrain mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission with a wet multi-plate clutch replacing a torque converter as Mercedes-AMG does. An electric motor boosts power and responsiveness. Another electric motor sits on the rear axle like the base hybrid system, but it's water-cooled and more powerful. The Crown's interior is simple and sleek. A 12.3 inches touchscreen and digital gauges dominate the dashboard. The standard dual-zone climate control has physical buttons beneath the screen. The Crown has a wireless charging pad, USB ports, and 2 USB-C outlets for rear passengers. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported wirelessly, and a Wi-Fi subscription can provide 4G to 5 devices. The Crown XLE has heated synthetic leather and fabric 8-way power front seats. Limited and Platinum models add ventilated front leather seats and heated rear seats. Limited and Platinum get 11-speaker JBL sound systems. The XLE's interior is black, but the Limited is black and chestnut or macadamia. We found the Crown Platinum comfortable and roomy, but the interior was filled with hard plastics. Toyota touts the Crown's quiet cabin, which features acoustic glass and soundproofing material. When we sat in the car, we could barely hear the music in the studio.
You